It wouldn't be a fishing video, guys, if we didn't stop at Starts and grab a whole milk. But good morning, guys. It's your boy Scoop, man, and we back with another fishing video. I'm gonna keep it kind of quiet here because we're at the Thomspsons Lake campground. It's kind of early. It's kind of hard to see. We got Ty parking up there. We got the kayak set up, or the canoe set up. Damn, it's hard to see. But, yeah. YMFers, it's your boy Scoop, man, and we back with a fucking another event. We're gonna start it off here at Thomspsons Lake bright and early. Hunting for a pickerel. I'm gonna show you guys how we fucking handle pickerel around these parts. And that's how you lose your fucking baits. You just give him the old squeezer. We fucking hate pickerel. Now we wipe our hands off because pickerel are fucking disgusting vermins. Cool! Cool! He freaking stole my bait though. Fucking scumbag. Oh, that's good for here. For a trout or some shit. You want to try one of these, dude?
I have a box though. I just got like.
See if it's a freaking bandito bug day. Hooked up?
Oh, dude, that's a nice bass. Oh wow, that's a nice bass. Yeah. You take that.
Come here. Come here. We gonna have a fishing video today. Let's go, bro. Another one. Let's fucking go, bro. They are destroying the drop shot setup right now. Let's stand up and get a good video of this one. Nice. You there? Let me face it towards Ty now. Show him my guy on the camera what we got here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, catching them.
Yes, sir. That one Ty, I literally just looked at my line and my line was moving. I want to try one thing. When we go out away this way, I just want to drop straight down and try. All right, guys, we're about 30 feet of water right now. I got the drop shot set up. I'm going to drop straight down and see what happens. I think I'm hooked up. Oh.
Like it.
Look at these little baby bass just chilling next to us, bro. Get away from me. La 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 la. Hit that Tina. Hit that. I'm gonna hit that thing. If this is a fish, we're in trouble.
That's what I like to hear. Is it trout with my middle name though?
Am I? We ain't. Oh yeah, fish on, and that was on camera too. That was so cool. A rock bass? That thing is huge.
You don't see those too much no more.
A rock bass.
We never see those like that.
Not that big either. Holy shit. Yo, Ty.
Yeah.
What the fuck? That's a... Yeah, when next time we come here, Ty, we're not leaving this spot.
No.
There's no reason to. There's literally no reason to. Bro, I'm getting fucking ripped. Bro, this was a fresh pack today. They've been killing. Yeah, that sounds like a mean one. Yeah, get his ass.
another largemouth bass.
Come on, we gotta get the boys on the channel too, man.
The largie.
Yes, sir. Good shit.
Catching him again.
Nice catch. Here, and then you caught a fish, and then I caught a fish, then you caught another fish. I'm about to say. Other end of the lake.
Other end of the lake, brother. Because you know they like to give you the boat.
See, this is where I want to throw my frog real quick, but
Everybody goes past this spot, that's why. So yeah, it's way down there.
there's no way. I'm about to say I landed on a fish. Come here, baby. Oh, Ty, it's a big ass fish.
Is that where I caught mine too? Was that over there?
Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Got my bait back too. Nice. Buddy, this is turning into a fucking...
Catch fest.
Yeah. I was about to say, we ain't even fishing at this point. We out here catching. Nice little bass again. Let's go. I'm not even... I want to hit the bong so bad, but I'm not even mad anymore.
No.
I don't even care.